In this video, we're going to show you a Nest Cam installation and how you can extend the range of your Nest Cam using the Coolgear PoE to USB-C adapter, giving you increased security and more options for mounting your outdoor camera. The Nest Cam IQ outdoor camera includes everything a do-it-yourself surveillance camera should, such as crisp 1080p video, a wide field of view, 24/7 recording, and two-way audio. However, the biggest concern users have is that the power supply also limits placement options to areas within reach of an electrical outlet. The Nest Cam includes a fixed 25-foot cable, so that's the maximum length you can go if you're using the power supply that comes with the Nest Cam. We've developed a PoE to USB-C adapter that will allow you to extend the Nest Cam IQ up to 100 meters using a standard Ethernet cable. Many of the items you'll need will be included with the Nest Cam. In addition to the mounting hardware, you'll need a few things. First, to extend your range, you'll need a PoE to USB-C adapter and PoE injector kit. To install the wall plate, injector, and cable clips, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver and a drill with a 3/32 bit. If you'll be using the wall anchors, you'll also need a 7/32 masonry drill bit and a hammer. The Nest Cam comes with a 25-foot USB-C to C cable. We recommend that you use the cable that comes with the Nest Cam because it has their proprietary connector with a rubber seal and a grommet to allow a waterproof connection to the camera itself. And it also has a locking pin on it so that it cannot be accidentally disconnected. Now that you've prepared your supplies and decided where you want to put your camera, it's time to mount it. We recommend you first drill pilot holes with a 3 to 32 inch bit, and then attach the wall plate with the included screws. If the wall is made of material like brick or stone, you may need to use the included wall anchors. Use a 7/32 inch masonry bit to drill holes for the anchors. Before attaching the camera, run the USB-C cable through the wall and plug the end of the cable that has the gray rubber ring into the base of your camera. It'll click into place. This indicates that you have a secure connection to your Nest Cam. Once the plate is secure, attach the Nest Cam to the wall plate and aim it where you like. Now you can remove the sticker from your Nest Cam's lens. It's only there for protection during shipping and installation. Once the camera is installed, the other end of the cable will connect to our pod via USB Type-C. Then, the terminated RJ45 Ethernet cable will connect to the pod to power on the device. If you end up with extra cable length, you can install a junction box along the route to contain the extra cable. For more experienced installers, you can splice your cable for a more streamlined installation. Once you splice the cable, you'll notice that there are 3 wires: a positive and negative wire, and a yellow CC line. The most important wire to make sure that it's 100% connected is the yellow CC line. Without the CC line, you'll be unable to negotiate the power. So if you don't connect the CC line, your Nest Cam will never work. Most people think that the positive and negative connection will be just fine, but you still need the CC line to negotiate the power itself. Closed twist-and wire connectors allow you to shorten the cable. And once you have the cable spliced together, you'll be able to easily connect it and make it any length you need to complete your install. Next, you'll need to secure the adapter and cable. Don't skip this step, which makes it harder for your camera to be accidentally dislodged or tampered with. We recommend installing your adapter at least 18 inches above the ground in case of flooding or deep snow. Your PoE injector should be installed near the back end of your installation. Once you plug in your injector, for power, you'll be able to run Ethernet cable to the front end of your installation, where your Nest Cam is installed. So, for example, you can install the injector in your media closet and run an Ethernet cable. The Ethernet cable will terminate into our device with an RJ45 connector, and then you can connect it directly to the Nest Cam. This eliminates the need for the Nest power source. Once your adapter is connected, you'll notice a blue light indicating that it has power. You can check your camera's video stream in the Nest app to fine-tune its position. As you can see, our PoE to USB-C adapter gives you unlimited options for your Nest Cam installations. If you need more information about extending your Nest Cam, please visit coolgear.com/NestCam.